Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic vacuums. We'll be comparing the iRobot Roomba 692 and the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum. These two products are highly regarded in the market, and we'll be diving deep into their features to see which one comes out on top. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's get started. Let's begin with the price. The iRobot Roomba 692 is priced at $269, while the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum comes in at $379. It's important to consider your budget when making a purchase, so keep these prices in mind as we delve into the features of each product. When it comes to cleaning performance, both the Roomba 692 and the Shark AV1010AE excel. The Roomba 692 boasts a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes, which effectively grab dirt from carpets and hard floors. It also features an edge-sweeping brush to take care of corners and edges. On the other hand, the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum offers improved carpet cleaning performance compared to its previous model. Its multi-surface Brushroll pulls in all kinds of dirt and debris from carpets and floors. It's a great option, especially for homes with pets, thanks to its ability to capture dust, dander, and pet hair. Now let's talk about the smart features of these robotic vacuums. The Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits and offers personalized schedules. You can control it using the iRobot Home app or with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. It also has adaptive navigation, allowing it to navigate under furniture and along edges with the help of advanced sensors. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum has a self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. It also offers faster mapping, enabling it to create a total home map quicker than its previous model. With the Shark Clean app or voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms or areas. Battery life is an important factor to consider in a robotic vacuum. The Roomba 692 runs for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. This should be sufficient for most cleaning tasks. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum, unfortunately, does not specify its exact runtime. However, with its self-emptying base, you won't have to worry about manually emptying the dustbin frequently. Let's talk about navigation. The Roomba 692 features adaptive navigation with sensors that allow it to navigate around furniture and avoid falling down stairs thanks to its Cliff Detect feature. It also has Dirt Detect sensors that identify dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum utilizes row-by-row cleaning, methodically cleaning row by row and then navigating room to room for complete home coverage. It also offers Total Home Mapping plus Room Select, allowing you to map your home and choose which rooms to clean immediately. Based on online reviews, customers have provided positive feedback for both the iRobot Roomba 692 and the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. The Roomba 692 is praised for its great battery life, efficient cleaning performance, and convenient scheduling features. However, some reviewers find it inconvenient to clean the device after each use due to pet hair wrapping around the brush. On the other hand, the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is commended for its effectiveness in creating logical cleaning routes, capturing pet hair, and its time-saving benefits. There are some concerns about its performance in corners and issues with model numbers and instructions. Overall, customers are satisfied with the performance and value for money of both products. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the iRobot Roomba 692 and the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum. Both products offer exceptional cleaning performance and come with their own unique set of features. In terms of price, the Roomba 692 comes in at $269, while the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is priced at $379. Consider your budget and the specific features that matter most to you when making your decision. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed choice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.